Oh yeah. Sure, girl.
To America. To America.
This is chaos.
Wow.
Yo, I'm talking 18-minute 5K right now. 12 minutes. We're doing 4-minute miles today.
Well, Andy was asking me about Australia, so I think that's probably why.
Good job, you guys.
Someone has to bring the music.
I know, is there a muscle up bar or rig?
It's our first one, so
Then they will.
oil.
So then I wanted to come back, so I was like, okay, we're going back.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good morning and happy 4th of July. This is definitely like one of my top 3 holidays. I'd probably go my birthday, Christmas, and then 4th of July, and then probably Thanksgiving. Or maybe 4th of July and Thanksgiving would be tied. But it is Brock's like #1 favorite holiday. So today's gonna be a great day. This is really my first chance that I'm getting to like sit down and chat. As you can see, our morning was crazy. We woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and immediately had to start getting ready, loading stuff up. We had to take the grill to the park. We had to take all the pancake stuff to the park. So it was a pretty hectic and chaotic morning, but the event went so good. It was amazing. I had no idea how many people were going to show up. I didn't have a way for people to like RSVP or sign up. It was just a free community event, and I was like, whoever wants to come can come. And I I kind of hoped for like 50 people, and we had a little over 50 people come, which was so fun. Like, I was so pleased with that turnout. Honestly, any more than that on the first time would have been a little bit overwhelming because Brock was slinging pancakes just round after round after round to try to get people fed. What was nice is that on the run, people got kind of spread out, and so they kind of trickled in to eat the pancakes, and I had Brock start pancakes like 10 minutes into the run so that he would have some for the first group of runners that came in. So it was pretty good. Like, everyone got fed, everyone had pancakes. We had a bunch of leftover pancakes actually. My parents brought some water bottles and some fruit, but it was such a fun event. For something that just Brock and I put together, it went really smooth. Like, it felt very official. It felt very organized, very put together. And it was so fun. Like, it was my exact vision that I had for the 4th of July 5K. It was families, it was younger people, it was some people with strollers, people had their babies. Like, it was just like a fun community event. Everyone was in such good spirits. It's 4th of July. Everyone's chatting about what they're going to do today. And it was just such a great way to kick off the morning. It was my perfect vision. So I am very, very pleased. So it's 10:30 now. There is a golf cart parade in Liberty Lake at 11. But to be honest, you guys, I'm tired. The last 4 hours have been like go, go, go. So I'm not sure we're gonna make it to the golf cart parade. I gotta see what Brock's kind of thinking. But our next plan is to basically get down to the beach at Brock's dad's house and hang out there for the rest of the day. I have my family coming over. Brock's got his family coming over. So it's just gonna kind of be a beach day. The weather is not amazing, so that kind of sucks. It's pretty overcast. Tomorrow's gonna be really nice, but today it's a bit overcast. But we'll still have fun. We'll kind of hang out on the beach, eat some good food. Hopefully I'll get a hot dog today at some point. And then there is a fireworks show on Liberty Lake tonight. They push a dock out in the middle of the lake and do fireworks from it. So we'll watch some fireworks tonight, and I'm excited. I love the 4th of July, so I'm excited. I'm going to get out of my running clothes and change in my 4th of July fit, and then we'll just get rocking. So Brock and I made the decision that we are going to watch the golf cart parade. So we finally found a spot to park it, and now we're trying to find the rest of our family. And it's a bit of a madhouse. There's a lot of people here for the golf cart parade, which is kind of fun.
Drinks right now. Get that out.
Nora!
You're like my grandma.
Oh, you're so cute. Wait, I love it. I like your hat
Saw me
too.
before I saw her, and so she just started freaking filming me until I saw her, and I was like, Grammy, oh, you like to punch you in the face.
But you have the best outfit, Nora. Your outfit's begging to be filmed.
I know.
And your makeup
it's the same
looks
one
great.
as last year and probably the year before.
May the 4th be with you. Got the bubbles going, all right. 55 burgers, 55 fries. Really?
Yeah, ladies, get it.
Inclusive fit. Those sunglasses are sick. Yeah. Woo! We could have done an Energy Run Club float.
Shoulda. That's why we need a banner.
Oh.
Oh, I love Wicked.
8 out of 10. We'll take it.
Maggie, ride your scooter. You look so cute. Oh, let's see your moves, Maggie.
Sure, girl. Are you hot?
This is Callie, and this is Maggie.
Oh, okay, God.
The cutest little girls ever.
Okay, let's go.
Church in my Sunday school. One of the pastors in my classroom asked who my favorite YouTuber was, and I said you, and I said Brody.
And you said Brody! Well, thanks, Callie. Okay, 4th of July fit check. Got my jean shorts, my America tee with my red, white, and blue bikini underneath, and, you know, yeehaw. Cowboy hat. Oh, also, see those? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Tatted up. This could not scream America more. Makes me want to eat a hot dog real bad. Brock thought that was funny. Okay, to the beach we go. Yeehaw.
Saddle up.
I am carrying the team on the 4th of July fit. Brock is wearing an everyday fit. But that's okay, I don't mind. Urgh. Take one for the team. First Red Bull of the 4th of July. I'll probably only have one, to be honest, but but this is the first. Hey. Don't be hating on my Red Bull. So we're at the beach. I wouldn't say it's a very warm or hot day. Probably not catching a tan. I think my sister's outfit is probably the best one for today. Sweatshirt. It's actually pretty cold. You can tell the wind is ripping. And of course there's still kids in the lake because kids don't care. But for the most part, everyone's in a shirt and trying to stay warm. Update, I gave into the sweatshirt. So unfortunately my 4th of July tattoos and my 4th of July tank top are not visible. But I am cozy and warm, so that's something.
Remembering when she got hit with the play model.
Well, the wind has not died down at all.
Not even a little.
So not even a little.
Friggin' storm out here.
Yeah.
But if you feel it, chase it.
If you feel it, chase it. So we're trying to figure out what we're going to be doing. I mean, the fireworks are not for 6 more hours, so we're kind of at a funky spot of knowing what we're going to do. But I think we're going to go say hi to our other friends and have some dinner, I guess. We'll see. Time to cover the boat. What do we got? Is that Abby's shot or what?
Uh-oh, hang on.
That's a man shot.
That's like the LaCroix of shots. The tequila's in the next room.
Oh.
You just gotta walk that one in.
Look at the drum.
Your dad sent me a gift card to
America. I pledge allegiance to this.
to your dad. Yeah. Yeah, I got a nice.
We have been bebopping around all over Liberty Lake, which is fun because all of our friends live around here. So we were at Jim and Jolene's, then we went to the French's, saw a bunch of our friends there, and now we're headed to the Keenbaums, and we're gonna hang out with them there, and then we're gonna end up back at Jim and Jolene's to meet up again with my family and do s'mores and fireworks. So it's like a regular 4th of July without any of the water fun.
A lot of it.
Which is a lot of the fun. Goodbye, Keenbaums.
That's great.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that file?
This looks like the hole looks like the explosive part.
I know, yeah, I believe this is the hole,
The
right?
explosive part, and you're gonna give that to a
It's
child?
fine. You're
This is the explosive part, right?
This is the right end.
How do you guys know?
Whoa! What are you thinking?
This is chaos. Control chaos. That's fire.
Wow! It's a fairy wand. Oh.
Woo! Ew! Watch out, Asher. Careful, buddy. This girl is swinging fire. No, I see it, honey. It's coming. They just let loose. I like that one. Yeah, the draining one is coming.
Wow, that one is so pretty.
In there. If I was flying this, I'd be right in there. Boom.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Homemade. Delish. What? Okay. We just finished watching the big fireworks show that they do on the lake, and I had my funfetti cupcake, so I'm very happy. And now we're playing yard games.
So many games. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th.